Roland Mokoena, the former head coach of Moroccan Giants Wydad Athletic Club, has broken his silence following his departure from the club, revealing the extraordinary personal and professional sacrifices he made during a turbulent season in Casablanca. In an exclusive interview with MSW, the South African coach laid bare the challenges he faced at Wydad, from going unpaid to 8 months to personally funding player wages and purchasing training equipment out of his own pocket. He said, "I came to Wydad and they had no players. It was a big test for me. I had to build a squad from scratch. And in doing that, I tested not just my coaching, but also my leadership and recruitment skills." Mokoena was appointed at the beginning of the season to breathe new life into a Wydad side that had finished sixth in the previous campaign, missing out on CAF inter-club competition spots and struggling to find consistency on and off the pitch. Despite the odds, Mokoena guided Wydad to a third-place finish, successfully returning to the club continental competition. But the journey was anything but smooth. The former Mamelodi Sundowns and Orlando Pirates tactician recounted how the club was in disarray when he arrived. With a depleted squad and little support, he had to dig deep into his personal resources, and said, "Almost all the players I brought in were on free transfers. Sometimes I paid the players and staff from my own salary. I even bought training equipment myself. I gave everything to that club." Despite this commitment, Mokoena was met with internal resistance and questioned loyalty, and said, "There was a moment I told the president I cannot take it anymore. After all I invested, for someone in management to ask if I love the club, it was heartbreaking. That's when I knew maybe there's a misalignment here." Mokoena also took time to dismiss public statements made by the club suggesting he had requested a break due to psychological stress, statements he says were fabricated and quickly retracted, and said if you go to the club's website and social media pages, that statement was deleted just 10 minutes after it was posted. "It was never true. I never asked for a break because of pressure or any psychological breakdown." He clarified that his decision to step down was driven by growing disillusionment with how he was being treated, not by mental or emotional strain, and said, "As a coach, I was willing to resign not because I couldn't handle the pressure, but because the environment became too toxic. I worked tirelessly to build something special, only to be met with doubt and disrespect." Adding insult to injury, Mokoena revealed that some within the club accused him of using Wydad merely as a stepping stone, and said there were rumors that I just wanted to go to the World Cup and meet Pep Guardiola, then leave. "That's disrespectful. I was committed to the project. I gave it my all financially, emotionally, professionally." Mokoena's candid revelations paint the picture of a coach who was willing to go far beyond the call of duty in pursuit of success, and who ultimately paid the price for it. Despite the disappointing end to his Moroccan adventure, Mokoena remains proud of the work he did at Wydad and continues to pray for guidance in his next chapter, and said, "All I ask of God is to place me in the right space with the right people at the right time. That's all I've ever wanted, an environment where I can give my best and be appreciated for it." Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.